gadget, gain, galaxy, gallery, game, gamble, garden, garlic, gas, gate, gather, gauge, gear, gem, general, generate, generation, generous, genius, gentle, genuine, geography, get, gift, diggle, give, glance, glare, glass, glide, global, globe, gloom, glorious, gloss, glow, glue, goal, dote, god, gold, golf, good, goods, goose, gorgeous, gossip, govern, government, grab, grace, grade, graduate, grain, grammar, grand, grandfather, grandmother, grant, grape, graphic, grass, grateful, gravity, gray, great, green, great, grief, grill, grip, grown, grocery, ground, group, grow, growth, guarantee, guard, guess, guest, guide, guilt, guitar, gum, gun, gym, gainful, gallop, gasp, gearbox, generosity, geology, germ, gesture, gigantic, glacial, glare-less, glitter, globalize, glorify, glossary, glowworm, goalkeeper, goalless, godlike, goldsmith, goodbye, goodness, goodshed, goody, gooseberry, governess, graceful, graceless, gradual, grammarless, grandchild, grandson, grantor, grapefruit, grasp, gratitude, gratuity, gravel, grayish, grease, greedy, Greek, greenhouse, greens, greeting, greyhound, griddle, gridlock, grievance, grillwork, grinder, gripless, groceryman, grocer, groove, gross, groundless, groundwater, group mate, group work, grower, growthful, grub, grumble, guaranteeing, guardhouse, guardian, guava, guesthouse, guidance, guideline, guild, guiltless, guitarist, gullible, gumdrop, gums, gunman, gunpowder, gurgle, gush, gust, gutter, gymnast, gymnasium, gypsum, gallant, gallantry, gallstone, galore, galvanize, gamble-less, gambler, game board, gamekeeper, gameplay, gamesman, gamesome, gang, gangway, gap, gaping, garage, garbage, gardenia, gardening, gardener, gargle, garment, garnish, garrison, garter, gaslight, gasoline, gasping, gatekeeper, gateway, gathering, gaunt, gaze, gazebo, gazelle, gershift, gel, gelatin, gemstone, gender, gene, genealogy, generalize, generationless, generator, generic, generosity-less, genetics, genie, genital, genteel, gentility, gentleman, gentry, geography-less, geological, geologist, geology-less, geometry, geothermal, geranium, gerbil, germicide, germination, gestation, gesticulate, gestureless, getaway, geyser, ghetto, ghost, ghostly, ghoul, giant, gifted, gigabyte, gigahertz, dild, gill, gills, gimmick, ginger, gingerbread, gingerly, ginkgo, ginnermus, giraffe, girl, girlfriend, girlish, girth, given, giving, gizzard, glacially, glacier, gladiator, gladness, glamorous, glamour, gland, glare-proof, glasshouse, glassware, gleam, glee, gleeful, glen, glider, gliding, glimmer, glimpse, glisten, glitch, glittery, gloaming, globalism, globalist, globally, globetrotter, globular, gloom, glorification, gloriousness, glossy, glove, glowingly, gluey, glum, glut, glutton, gluttonous, glycol, go, go around, go ahead, go between, go-kart, go-getter, goalie, goalpost, goal line, goaltender, goatish, gobbler, goblet, godchild, goddess, godfather, godhood, godless, godly, godmother, godsend, goldfish, golden, goldenrod, goldfield, goldmine, gold rush, golf ball, golfer, gondola, gone, gone, good-humored, good-hearted, goody, goodly, good night, good sum, goody-goody, gooseflesh, goosefoot, gorge, gorilla, gory, gosh, gospel, gossiping, gothic, governance, governor, grabber, grabbing, gracefulness, gracious, graciously, gradation, graduate level, graduation, graffiti, graffiti street, graft, grainy, grammarian, grammatical, granary, grande, grandeur, grandiloquent, grandiosity, grandiose, grandma, grandpa, grange, granite, granny, granting, grapevine, graphicness, graphite, graphology, grasping, grasshopper, great, greater, gratify, grating, gratis, gratuitous, grave, graveless, gravinous, graveside, gravestone, graveyard, gravid, gravitate, gravityless, gravy, grayness, greasy paint, greaser, greasy, greatcoat, greatness, grebe, Grecian, greedily, greenness, greenery, greensward, greenwood, gremlin, grenade, grayish, griddle cake, gridiron, grievously, griffin, grillroom, grim, grime, grimness, grimy, grin, grind, grinderless, grinding, grinning, gripman, grist, gristle, grit, gritless, gritty, grocerless, grogginess, groggy, groin, groom, groomer, grooming, groovable, groover, groovy, groping, grossly, grotesque, grotto, groundbreaking, grounder, groundhog, grounding, groundlessness, groupable, grouping, groupless, groupwise, growable, growl, growing, growless, growthless, grubstake, grubby, grudge, grudging, grueling, gruff, grumbleless, grumbling, grump, grumpy, grunge, grungy, grunt,